So this is the JMAGS E57000455 3.5mm clip-on mini lapel lavalier microphone. That's a big name. After purchasing this, I got to know that the same thing is also available in under different names, and it's definitely lower in price. This I got for 210 rupees. The others is for 149 and 174. There's a clip which you have to attach to a cloth, probably the top of whatever you're wearing. It kind of looks premium, so it doesn't at all feel like it is a 200 rupee product. It kind of feels more costly than that. Let's see how long the cable is, which is another important factor in having a lav mic. Seems to be pretty long. I think it's around 1.5 meters, which is a very good length for a lav mic. This is the 3.5mm audio jack, 3.5mm pin which goes into the phone, and that's your microphone with the black foam. So let's try this and see how the sound comes out.
So this is a sound test from a place which has a good amount of traffic. You can see the vehicles going by. So here's the sound test. Johnny, Johnny, yes papa. Eating sugar, no papa. Open your mouth, no papa. So this is a sound test from a fairly silent place. A lot of trees around, less traffic. So here goes the sound test. Johnny, Johnny, yes papa. Eating sugar, no papa. Telling lies, no papa. Open your mouth, ha ha ha.
A 35-year-old political activist from Shiv Sangram Party, part of the BJP-led National Democratic Alliance, died on Wednesday evening after the boat in which he was travelling capsized nearly 2.5 kilometers off the Mumbai coast. A 35-year-old political activist from Shiv Sangram Party, part of the BJP-led National Democratic Alliance, died on Wednesday evening after the boat in which he was travelling capsized nearly 2.5 kilometers off the Mumbai coast. A 35-year-old political activist from Shiv Sangram Party, part of the BJP-led National Democratic Alliance, died on Wednesday evening after the boat in which he was travelling capsized nearly 2.5 kilometers off the Mumbai coast. A 35-year-old political activist from Shiv Sangram Party, part of the BJP-led National Democratic Alliance, died on Wednesday evening after the boat in which he was travelling capsized nearly 2.5 kilometers off the Mumbai coast. So that's the end of our mic test. As the cheapest option, this is a good lav mic. You can go for it. If you want quality, I would say to invest a bit more and try some other brands or some other products.